to every Filipino in the world, especially Dubai. So, eto na naman ako, Belle Castillo. Ngayon naman ang vlog natin, it's regarding booking flights for Cebu Pacific. Meron kasi silang special offer, so ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, of course, don't forget, yung Instagram ko, please follow me. It's Belle Casti _ and my Facebook also, of course, Belle Castillo. Meron din akong Facebook page, actually, Livin Belle. Di ko lang na-screenshot. Bakit wala dito? Anyway, so meron ngang promotion ang Cebu Pacific na kung saan meron silang 1 dirham offer, Dubai to Manila, pero one-way base fare lang to. And then it says here, of course, kung kailan ang validity nitong ticket nito and kailan mo siya pwedeng gamitin. You click sa book and then makikita mo doon merong seat sale. Ayan, kiklik lang natin yan. And then, syempre lalabas yung mga seat sale. May yung information regarding itong seat sale, mga disclaimer nila, information, and so on. Pagka ni-scroll down mo pa siya, na makikita mo yung mga available seat sale. As you can see, merong 1 peso lang going from certain locations, destinations. Pagka ni-scroll mo actually, makikita mo dyan, say Dubai. Yan, Manila to Dubai. Merong 1 peso fare lang. And its travel period is February to October 2023. Sakto. Magfa-fly din ako soon. So, i-grab ko na tong opportunity na to. So, click mo lang Manila to Dubai. Choose one way. And then, of course, Manila destination is Dubai, United Arab Emirates. One way. Departing on. So, as you can see, pagka kinlik mo yung dates, ang validity niya, diba, Feb. So, mag-i-start din siya sa February 2023. And you can see, malalaman mo na kung magkano yung ticket na yon on a specific day. Ayan, merong 1 peso, may nakalagay 1, merong 8.5 something. So, yun yung equivalent ng kung magkano yung ticket na yun on that specific day. So, for example, i-choose natin ng May 14, 2023. Select dates. Ayan. And then search flights. As you can see, yung base fare lang niya is 3,900 pesos. Look at that. Makakabalik ka na ng Dubai sa halagang 3,000 pesos. 3,900, which is roughly like 200 dirhams, 250 dirhams. So, ayun, choose mo lang yung date and then the fare na pinili mo. And then, of course, fill mo lang yung information, yung make sure pala to choose Go Basic, kaya yung pinakaunang column, Go Basic, kasi yung another column, additional charges na yon. So, fill mo lang yung information mo, of course, according to your passport, birth certificate, yung ibang information mo to go para ma-complete na yung reservation. Continue lang tayo, and then, of course, may mga lalabas na add-ons, and be careful lang, as you can see, 3,900 yung lumalabas na cost, but later on, lalabas siya na mas mahal. Let's see why. So, naging 5,500 na siya. Why? Kanina 3,900 lang siya. Okay, as you can see, meron nakasulat bundle inclusion. Ano kaya yung bundle inclusion na yon? So, meron kasing pre-selected na add-on. So, what we can do, we see the 3 dots, click it, and then click remove. Also, this meal, click it, the 3 dots, and then remove. And then, proceed lang, and then as you can see, nag-return na siya sa 3,900. Click continue. Kasi yung add-ons kasi, insurance yung isa, and then yung isa meal, which is pwede mo naman siyang bilhin sa aeroplano later on. So, ayun na yung cost. And then, yan na yung total amount, 3,900. So, you just click, continue, and then it will ask you to proceed to the payment. But don't forget lang na while it is loading, do not click anything, close the browser, or kung ano-anong i-click para hindi mawala. Kasi minsan nangyayari, kahit na na-choose mo na yung option na merong promotion, nauubos yan. At kapag ka naubusan na ng slot, magpuproceed ka na lang sa next day. So, what if gusto mong bumalik ng yung travel date na gusto mo is Sunday, tapos naubusan ng promo, doon ka na lang sa the following day or mag-choose ka na lang ng iba. So, kailangan i-check mo lagi kung ano yung mga information or follow this step by step. Kasi ako, nag-book ako last time and then nagkaroon ng issue. Na-miss ko tuloy or naubusan tuloy ako ng slot. Anyway, sa payment method, so, meron silang option na gamitin mo yung travel fund kung meron kang, kunwari, refund na nandun sa account mo, sa Cebu Pacific account. Pwede mong gamitin yan. And then, also, you can use credit or debit card. Enter mo lang yung details, of course. And then, meron din silang e-wallet, which is very easy for me. PayMaya, GrabPay, and other stuff. Pero ako, ang ginamit ko actually is the Paymaya. Did you know that by using Paymaya, nagkaroon pa ako ng rebate from using it, other than hassle-free, and then of course less scam, Siyempre, ayokong gamitin yung credit card or debit card ko. Paymaya, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng certain amount to pay the bill kung ano yung kailangan kong bayaran. So, ayan na. So, na-complete mo na yung transaction, ano mo lang yung Paymaya, and then i-direct ka niya sa Paymaya. Meron doon lalabas na QR. And then from your Paymaya account, kung nakasave yan sa phone mo, kung may login ka, may app ka sa phone mo, there is a QR code there. Click mo lang yung QR, and then, of course, scan mo lang yung QR na nasa laptop mo for the Cebu Pacific payment, and then mag-a-appear na siya sa phone mo to pay it. And then after mo ma-pay, magpo-proceed na siya, merong payment confirmation, and then maglo-load din yung laptop and sasabihin sa'yo na successful. And then after that, after few minutes, marireceive mo na yung ticket mo. So, make sure na correct din yung email address na nilalagay mo sa booking, because that's where will be kung saan isi-send yung ticket mo. So, make sure na tama yung email address, kasi dyan din isi-send sa'yo yung ticket para sa iyong next flight. Anyway, ngayon, ito yung tipid hacks na pwede kong itulong sa inyo para makapag-travel anywhere, maybe in the Philippines or outside Philippines, through Cebu Pacific. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media so we'll stay connected. Check the description box at the bottom of this video for my social media handles and all related links to this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.